The whale shark, mostly non-aggressive, but don't mess with this shark. This species can grow over 60 feet, so you don't want to get in the way of this giant. So what happens when you mess with this shark? Well, exactly what you would think. Leave nature alone, especially sharks. Subscribe today for free.